Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. Recently a sale was going on at Nykaa, so I bought a little bit of stuff and I will be sharing all that stuff in this video. And because all these products are new to me, I've never used them, so I will be using on and sharing my reviews and first impressions about those products. So this is the look that I have created using all those products, and if you like the look then please keep on watching. So the very first product that I bought is the Maybelline Baby Lips lip balm. I really loved it because it totally moisturized my lips so well, but didn't stay for too long. But yeah, it did its job perfectly. So the next two products are these two foundations, the Maybelline Fit Me foundation and the Lakme Absolute Argan Oil foundation. So the next product is this set of packed sponges. It is a set of 2 that comes with a pouch. So this is a deal that is always there on Nykaa. I will leave a link to it in the description box so that you can check it out. So this is the first sponge that you get. It is flat on one end and pointed on the other end. I've used the pack sponge earlier and I really like them. So the other sponge that you get is the regular teardrop shape. And this is the other sponge. So this is the pouch. The quality of the pouch is really good as well. So for today's look I will be using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. It is a shade darker for me, but obviously most of the foundations does oxidize, so it looks pretty well after 10 to 15 minutes. So just dotting it all over my face and blending it away with the beauty blender. So as you can see, it is giving a really good medium kind of a coverage, and obviously it is buildable. You can build it up to high coverage, and it is giving like a semi-dewy kind of finish, like a really natural glow. So as you can see, the sponge obviously absorbed a little bit of foundation, but I really love how it blended away the foundation and gave really skin like finish. So the next two products are these two compacts. The first one is this Lakme 9 to 5 powder foundation. So in the first compartment you get the actual pigment, and in the other compartment you get the sponge to apply the foundation. And here is the mirror. And the other compact is the Loreal Matte Magique compact. I've heard a lot about this compact. So here is the pigment, and in the other compartment you get this sponge. So for today's look, to set my foundation and concealer, I will be using the L'Oreal one. All the shades will be listed in the description box. And just setting away my foundation with the L'Oreal Matte Magique compact. You just saw how pigmented it is. I really loved how it made my foundation like stay for so long. Just applied my concealer in the usual areas and blending it away with the same blender. And setting it with the same compact, the L'Oreal one. So this compact even doesn't allow my concealer to crease for good 3 to 4 hours. So the next thing that I bought is this face palette that has a bronzer, a blush and a highlighter. So all the 3 of them are really highly pigmented. These are so creamy. I really love the highlighter in there. So the blush and the bronzer also got some shimmer kind of a thing in them that I really love. Not too crazy, but really little bit of the shimmer. Just bronzing up my face. And I applied the blush and the highlighter as well, but later on I just saw that it was not recorded. So as I didn't bought anything for my eyes, I'm just using the same face palette for my eyes, using the bronzer in my crease and the outer V. Taking the highlighter from the palette and applying it in the 2/3 part of my eyes with my finger only, not using any brush. So using the same highlighter to apply on my brow bone as well as in the inner corners of my eyes. So the next thing that I bought is this Lakme Iconic eye pencil in the shade Turquoise. So right now I'm tightlining my upper waterline with the Nykaa Rock the Line Kajal. I really love this kajal. This is my favorite by far. So I'm just applying the Lakme Iconic on my lower waterline and smudging it away with my finger only. You need to be very gentle with this. So this eye pencil just don't smudge at all. I've used it on my waterline, I've used it on my lids as well, but it didn't just smudged out. It's good, it's really good. You need to be very gentle while smudging out the pencil from the lower waterline or the upper waterline, wherever you are smudging it out. So I'm applying a little bit of bronzer just beneath where I smudged the eye pencil out, so that it look no harsh edges is seen and it looks like diffused into a lighter color or lighter shade. So here I'm just applying the Lakme liquid eyeliner. For my mascara today, I'm using the Faces Magnetic Eye Mascara. This mascara is so good. It provides a really jet black shade to your lashes and makes them look really elongated and volumized. So the next two products are these two lipsticks. First is the Lakme from the 95 range, and second is the Maybelline one from the Color Show range. Again, the shades will be listed in the description box below. So for today I will be using the Maybelline lipstick. So as you can see, it is not all matte. It has a creamy texture. It is glossy. So obviously it is not at all transfer proof, but I really like the color and it is so pigmented. It lies on so well, as you just saw. But the Lakme one is a little bit more matte than this, but that is not transfer proof as well. But I really like the shades of both the lipsticks and the amount of pigment that they are. It is so good. You can always make a matte a glossy lipstick into a matte lipstick, so that's not a problem at all, I think. So as it is really dark for me and a little bit glossy, you can always make it a shade or two lighter than the original one just by transferring it on the tissue paper. I'm just doing the same thing, and after doing this you can apply translucent loose powder on your lips so as your lipstick stays for a longer time, but I don't have one right now, so I will be using my compact powder. So this, you guys, is the final look. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, then please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.